Hey my friends. In this quick video I'm showing step-by-step guide on how to remove your Gmail account from another device, or how to log out Gmail account from other devices. Okay. Without waste of time, let me start. At first, open your Gmail app. Move up here on the top right corner and then tap on the profile picture. Tap on Manage your Google account. Up here scroll and then tap on Security. Move down and then find your device option. Here you can see the devices that I have logged in with my account. Now to remove them all, what you have to do is tap on Manage all devices. Let me log out this iPhone device. Tap on it. Up here tap on Sign Out option. This will pop up. Again click on Sign Out. Done. So, that's how to log out Gmail account from other devices. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and even share to your friends. Have a nice time.